Okay, we're going to be looking at the Geometry Unit 1 first tutorial about explaining volume formulas. So the first question says you'll use GeoGebra, go to circumference of a circle, and complete each step below. Alright, now let's look at our directions. It says follow these instructions. Okay, here we go. It's going a little slow right now. Okay, move the slider to roll the circle. As you roll the circle, the circumference of the circle unfolds along the x-axis and the length of the circumference appears below. So, if I'm going to roll the circle, that's what we do down here. I'm rolling out the circumference, and so I know that my diameter right here, it says it's 4, and my circumference goes from 0 to 12.57 right here. So if we go back here, we're going to put diameter 4, circumference 12.57. Now the ratio means that we're going to calculate, ratio is we're dividing, so we're going to do 12.57 because it's the ratio of the circumference to the diameter. So we're going to take the circumference and divide it by the diameter, and we get 3.1425. Alright, so it says once you've completely rolled out the circle, roll the circle back to its original position, change the diameter by moving the blue dots. So now we're going to roll it back up, change the diameter by moving the blue dot here. So now it says we're going to just choose whatever diameter we want and then do the same thing. So if I make a diameter of 5, and then I'm going to roll it out, here's my new circumference. So I'm going to put 5 for the diameter, 15.71 for the circumference. 5, 15.71. Now the ratio is going to be 15.71 divided by 5, 3.142. And then you're going to do that same process for the rest of them. You're going to roll it back in, change to whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be on a whole number. It could be here, 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 wherever you want. Roll out the circle. Here is where you'll put the circumference, and then you do that division problem. Hopefully that helps.